Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through our backlink audit workflow, how it works, what input it takes, and what kind of actionable outputs you get at the end. So the workflow begins with two inputs. First is a CSV file, then is your brand kit. So your brand kit, which includes the details of your name, niche, and any specific criteria. So these two inputs are essential because that helps the system understand what links are relevant to your brand and which ones could potentially harm your domain authority. So once the workflow runs, the output includes a comprehensive backlink analysis and an audit. So this is how the output looks like. So it has a list of URLs to disavow. So here is a list and also a detailed analysis on which links to keep and which links to remove. Finally, you get a number of URLs to remove and a number of URLs to keep. So this is the final audit output. We use a column called keep backlink so that if it says false, that URL should be removed, and if it says true, it's a good URL to keep. So now let's break down the workflow step by step. So we start by feeding in the CSV with the backlink domains and your brand kit. The system begins parsing the file and organizing the domains for review. Next, the workflow scrapes each backlink to gather relevant contextual signals. So this step runs in a loop. Whether you have 10 or 10,000 backlinks, each one gets analyzed. After scraping, the data is passed through an LLM step. So this is where we have trained it for a specific criteria. So including red flags for spammy links and positive signals. And each backlink is evaluated and decision is made whether to keep or disavow it. So this is how the LLM prompt looks like. It has everything related to what particular link has to be removed and under what criteria it has to be removed and which one we can keep. So this is put in here. Finally, you get a clear and structured output, a list of backlinks to disavow and a list of backlinks to keep. And also in the detailed analysis, you have the detailed justification for each decision. So this process saves manual efforts and gives you a confident starting point to clean up your backlink profile. Let me know what you think and what to improve in this workflow.